What is going on, guys? Take a look at this Bitcoin chart. I've been staring at the 4-hour time frame on Bitstamp, and things are getting incredibly interesting. If you look at the price action right now, we're sitting around $87,000, but there is a lot of noise and manual analysis here that we need to unpack because it's pointing toward a massive move. First off, let's look at these blue lines. You can see this clear M shape. That's a classic double top. Usually that's a bearish signal, and we definitely saw the fallout from that. Bitcoin took a hit, dropped through the 90K range, and found a local bottom right around $85,000. Notice the V shape at the bottom? That shows a quick rejection of lower prices. The bulls stepped in at $85,000, and that is now our line in the sand. Now, I want to point out the text on the screen. Big save trade, trade only spot. This is the most important part of the chart. The person who drew this is basically saying, look, the volatility is so high right now that if you're playing with 20x or 50x leverage, you're probably going to get wiped out by a random wick. In a market like this, spot is king. You buy the asset, you hold it, and you don't let a temporary dip liquidate your entire account. Check out the notes on the right side. It says, news, wait for Trump. We know that the market is hypersensitive to the current administration's stance on crypto right now. The trader here is anticipating a big down maybe, basically a final shakeout or a fake-out dip to trap the bears before the real news-driven pump happens. If that $85,000 support holds, look at that vertical blue line aimed straight for the stars. We're talking about a move past $93,000 and potentially into the mid-94K range. The strategy here is pretty clear. Don't panic if we see one more small dip towards $85,000, the big down maybe. Avoid high leverage and wait for the fundamental news catalyst to provide the fuel. So the plan is simple. Watch the $85,000 level like a hawk. If we stay above that, the path to 94K is wide open. But stay safe out there. Only trade spot if you want to sleep at night. What do you guys think? Is $85,000 the floor, or are we going lower before the Trump news hits? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.